Check this out, man. Live from the Dub, man. Smoke Gang video shoot. My dude over here, you can tell he with the shit. He really said he was with that. He was about that life. Let's go over here and see what he's talking about. Man, you trying to check us out, man? You trying to get this interview, man, one time?
Man, you know, I see y'all represent.
Yeah, man. He said we see us represent, so we about to see what he do.
Hey, man, you know what? It's good to know you, man. You know, my name, they call me Charm, man. C-H-O-R-M, Charm.
Already.
Yeah, man, I know y'all down people, you know?
Already, that's why we came over here to spit.
Yeah, well, you know, y'all come downtown to do this shit, you know? And y'all represent, man, you know?
Already.
But, you know, right now, you know, I became homeless, man. You know? Yeah. Been homeless 4 years, man. I had a $200,000 house. I'm married to a school teacher. But I was a gangster, you know, before y'all, you know? Yeah. And I knocked the person off, man, back in the 70s. Did 22 years, man. Yeah. Had my life, man. You know, like I said, I'll be 58 in January 9th. Yeah. But, you know, man, you feel, I feel y'all, man. And I, you know, shit, I ain't never heard of it, but I know it's real shit.
Man, it's a movement, and just like how we come over here to chop it up with you, that's what it's about, you know what I'm saying? Like, check us out, man. Like, my dude got the shirt that say legalize it, man. It's all real, baby. Like, people is people, you know? No matter if you homeless, if you rich or whatever. If you a gangster, if you a square, we fucking with it. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? We fucking with it.
Hey, man, I mean, bless the homeless man with something, man.
Shit.
Damn, man.
Man, we put
it together. Millions, man.
Let's check this out, man.
You're on your way to
check this out. My dude said bless him with something. So I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna bless you with something.
I'm speaking Plainview 13th and Indiana. 25th Street, Hilltop, they all ghetto. Catch me in Murdochville. Me and my people chill, throwing meat on the grill, getting our barrels into the pig.
I got a shirt for you. You want a shirt?
Shit, I get that what we do like this. Shout out, I ain't got me
shirt because it's cold outside.
South City with a bad bitch. Banging this blunt force trauma, I'm on some stab shit.
Y'all think about when they got too old to make that shit, you know what I'm saying? Now, I be 58 in January, man. You know? Well, y'all got the motherfucking action and all this, man. Yeah, show this shit.
So anyway, like my dude Charm was saying, he out here and shit, this what we do. We for the motherfucking people, man. Trey 16 up, nigga. Matter of fact, free my little brother Mac motherfucking Trey. And let me show you how I really get around this motherfucker all day.
Yeah, and I appreciate that, my brothers. You know, without y'all, man, the motherfucker ain't nothing, you know? You know, y'all representing, but you're representing real, you know? And I appreciate it, you know? Y'all doing something for a homeless man that ain't nobody gonna do, you know? Yeah, you know, and I appreciate it.
Give us a shout out, bro. Give us a little Smoke Gang.
Shit, I ain't gonna smile now, cause I ain't got no smile.
Say shout out to the Smoke Gang.
Shout out to the Smoke Gang, you know? Yeah, you know, the real people.
Already. There you have it.
Yeah.
Smoke Gang at its finest, man. We out here, man. Fuck with us, man. Trey 16 up. Free my little brother Mac motherfucking Trey. Mac and ass Trey. Macaroni.